Hi friends, thank you for joining me here on Just a Little Homestead. My name is Wilma. Today we are going to be planting our potatoes, the 5 varieties that we have left, so we can get that done and get them out in the garden finally. But before we do that, I do want to show you or give you a little update on the hydroponics. They are growing, they are so big. The strawberries have taken over, you're about to see that. But let's take a look. Look at how big everything got. The strawberry plant is huge, but there's no strawberries. Over here, we have one little eggplant and tons of jalapenos. I'm so excited. Those look so good. And then the mini-me cucumber has been hidden in the back because this strawberry plant is humongous. But it's not giving me any strawberries, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I might have to trim this because it's just taken over everything. And then the jewel amethyst eggplant. This has quite a bit. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on that plant back there. You see those little white eggplants. On this one, there are 3. 1, 2, 3. Then back here, let me see if I can get a good angle. Look at that. It's dropping leaves everywhere, but there's one little mini-me cucumber growing, and there's a big one. It's not ready to harvest yet, but almost. I think we've harvested 3 of those already. Look at that. They have been white for a while though. I don't know how long it's going to take for them to turn purple because this variety of eggplant, the jewel amethyst, they're supposed to be purple. They're just not turning purple. They have been white for a while. So I'm not sure what's going on. I'm just going to continue to wait until they turn purple before I can harvest them. But just a little update here on the hydroponics. They're dropping a lot of flowers, especially the jalapenos. All of that is just falling off. The white ones anyways, the purple are from the eggplant. So I need to toss all that. Alright, quick update here. Now let's go and plant some potatoes. It's time to start planting potatoes. I got my grow bags out. I'm going to start getting them ready like that so we can do this. We have 5 varieties of potatoes we are planting today. Let's get started. Alright, I'm getting these bags filled up. If this wind would stop blowing, it's knocking over all my stuff. I have these filled up already. This one I had half full from something else, so I think I'm probably gonna add some more and use that as well. I have more grow bags there if I need more. And then I need to fill these up here. This one's done. And what I'm going to attempt to do, don't laugh, I think I'm going to use this box as a grow bag, a grow box. And I'm going to plant some potatoes in there. I actually saw a YouTube video, I forgot who did it, what channel I was watching, but somebody actually did grow potatoes in a box and it worked. And I have this box. So I think I'm going to try that and see what happens. So stay tuned to that. Okay, let's look at our potatoes. So in the last or second to last video, we cut these. This is Irish cobbler. And These are ready. Next is German butterball. I don't have too many of these. And let's come over here. These are all the ones that I've already filled up. I need to add the fertilizer. We're going to be adding Haas 543 organic fertilizer into these and my box. I really hope that works out. And this one, Viking. This is the red potato. And this is one of the ones from the original Homestead bundle that I bought, the first set of potatoes that I bought. This is the Kennebec. This is the one that came with the Norland red that we've already planted. And this one also came in that pack, Yukon Gold. These are ready to go. All right, let me start adding fertilizer. Pardon the noise. My son and my husband are working on a car in the backyard. So excuse the noise. All right, let's add fertilizer. Okay, so far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bags of Kennebec. These 3 at the end are Yukon Gold. That is a lot. Kennebec had a whole lot. Look at that. So I only have 1 empty grow bag and my empty potato box. So I need to fill up some more because I now have just the 3 from the gardening club, which was the German butterball, Viking, and Irish. Is it called Irish cobbler? Yes, Irish cobbler. So now I have to plant these 3. I think one of these varieties I'm gonna put in here. Whichever one has the least is going in my potato box. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna call it, a potato box. All right, so let's see which one is gonna be the lucky guinea pig. And then I need to fill up some more grow bags. I'll be back. All right, all filled up. I moved them around a bit. So these 3, there's a Irish cobbler here, German butterball there. And let's give it a little bit of water. And then over here, I think all these are the Kennebec along this edge. Drag this water hose over here. Yep, everything, well actually no, those 3 in the end are still the Yukon Gold. These are Kennebec here. And the other Kennebec are on the side, in between my sugar daddies and the little lemon tree that doesn't look like it's gonna make it now after this cold, which is unfortunate because I did have it covered up with the 100-gallon grow bag and it still died. I wonder if I can cut off the stems and trim it a bit. Maybe it'll come back. We'll see. And 3 Viking here. Let me just finish watering and we are done. Okay, now here's the test with my potato box. I really hope this works because it worked in the video I saw. The box was very flimsy toward the end when they harvested, but it worked. So hopefully this does. I just have to be very careful when I water. All right. This is all I had left. I got just enough soil. I bought 4 bags, the big, huge bags, but we're all set. They're all labeled. They're watered. All right. And those are the Norland Reds. Looking wonderful. We're all done. All right. Now it is time to wrap it up. There are all the potatoes. You can see them behind me here. Can't wait for them to start growing like the Norland Red right there. Look at that. They look so nice. Everything is coming along. I'm so excited for summer to get here and everything to be just big and beautiful back here. All right, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for spending time with me. Bye, everybody.